Ms. Kraus, what kind of payments has Mr. Gonzalez made since the last court hearing?
Pursuant to the last court enforcement order, the defendant was to pay $25 by September 30th to be compliant with the order. He did not. He only made the payment prior to the hearing on 9/11 and nothing additional in September. He did make a payment in this month in the amount of $30 on October 13th, which did disperse on 10/16. Based on previous information in the support enforcement order, it was indicated by the court that the court would find the defendant in contempt if the full monthly payment is not made, and this would be a second or subsequent finding with him eligible up to 90-day commitment in jail.
What's going on, Mr. Gonzalez? Why aren't you making your payments when you're supposed to make them?
I just don't got it, Your Honor. I'm trying my best out here. I'm just any little bit I get, I save it, and as soon as I get it right out that way, because I don't live out there, I get it right and I drop it off.
So what are you doing to make money?
I live right here. Well, I've already talked to you. I don't know if you forgot it or not, but I work here. I gotta work so many hours, and then on top of that, when you guys took the $3,500 from this lady, I had to pay that back every month too. So I'm paying that back and paying you guys. I'm all over the place right now, but I'm trying my best. If you guys would have never took that money from her, it would have been a lot easier for me making payments on time. But since you guys did that, I'm stretched out right now, and I get it. You guys need the money, but that's where I'm at.
Okay, Mr. Gonzalez, every month you tell me that you're doing your best, but you won't change what you're doing. And we keep running up against this. Mr. Gonzalez, you can't talk over me. Mr. Gonzalez, you can't talk over me. I'll give you your chance to talk, but you got to wait till I'm done.
Yes, sir.
Every month you tell me that you're doing your best, but you won't change what you're doing. Every month you tell me, I don't have it, I don't have it, I don't have it. It's because you won't change what you're doing. You're living at a place and working there without getting paid a real wage. You can't keep doing that. You're never going to make your payments. So how do I get you to go out and get a job?
I mean, you guys want to take that $3,500 from her and put me in a tight spot with this lady. Now I gotta pay her too, and pay you guys too. I'm stretched right now. If you guys had to give her back her money, I'd have been getting that money that I'm giving her and been paying you guys on time.
Mr. Gonzalez, that's not an either or proposition. That money was owed from you. She just happened to step in and pay it.
I get it, but it wasn't my money, Your Honor. If you would have given it back, I'd have been making my full payment on time. It would have been awesome.
You are the one who incurred that bill, not the court. That was your responsibility.
Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. Okay, Your Honor. So I'm doing
you haven't answered my. Go ahead, Mr. Gonzalez.
I'm gonna continue to do my best, Your Honor. That's all I can tell you. Before, I've never paid nothing in my life, and now I'm really, really trying. So whatever you want to do, I'm here. I'm a man. I'll deal with the consequences. You know, I'm gonna continue to do my best.
What I want you to do is get a job. Job that pays you money instead of just giving you a place to stay. You're not doing your best. You're hanging around there and not doing jobs. You need to get out and get a job and go to work. There's nothing that prevents you from doing that. You're an able-bodied man. Here's the options. You either go get a job or you go to jail. Those are your options right now. Which do you want to do?
I'm going to continue to do my best.
No, that's not an option. That's telling me you're going to do the same thing you've always been doing, which is not enough. You either go get a job.
I'm kind of committed to her right now. It's messed up, but.
Mr. Gonzalez, listen very carefully. You have two choices. Go get another job or go to jail. Which would you like to do?
I mean, I'll look for a job.
Your Honor.
Listen very Mr. Gonzalez, listen very carefully. Not look for a job, go get another job or go to jail. Those are the only options that you have.
Well, I'll look for one. I'm a convicted felon. I'll look for one for sure. I'm a convicted felon. I'll look for one though. I know you're trying to press me like that, Your Honor. But whatever makes you feel better, like I'll do. I'm gonna do my best. If you want to put me in jail and not get anything from me, I don't know what else to tell you. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I will look. I will start looking. But I'm not gonna sit here and lie to your face either. You know what I mean? Like you're a grown man. You're a judge. I respect you. But I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna look for a job. If something opens up, man, praise the Lord. You know. Like I'll just continue to try, Your Honor. I'm not gonna give up. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm not gonna give up no matter what.
Ms. Kraus, did you have anything else to add?
I did want to remind the court, since the arraignment hearing, when the lady that posted the bond for him did indicate, because you did ask her in regards to that amount of money, she'd indicated, and I did reference that at the last at the last hearing as well, is that she indicated she wanted him to address his friend of the court matters before repaying her the money that was forfeited as bond.
Thank you for that reminder. Mr. Gonzalez, when was the last time that you held a job outside of what you're doing at that place where you're staying right now?
I worked at the cake for a lot of years, but I started drinking there, so I quit because I'm a recovering alcoholic. So I don't work at bars no more.
When was the last time you had a job outside of where you're living now?
Last year for Brandon. Landscaping, last year for the summer.
All right. You have 30 days to find another job. If you do not find a job, you will go to jail for 7 days. When you get out, you must find another job. If you do not find a job, you'll go to jail for another 7 days. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? We're going to keep doing this until you get another job.
All right.
That will be the order. That will be the order of the court. You'll get a notice for next month. I'll see you in 30 days. Have a job, make your payments.
Sounds good. Bye-bye. Oh, I can't leave yet. I got another one.
This is the second matter involving Mr. Gonzalez. This is Melissa Ricecroft versus Jesse Gonzalez, file 18-17322-DS. Ms. Kraus, can you tell me what the status is on this matter?
In regards to the status on this case, it was adjourned to monitor compliance with making the specific payment of $321. It was indicated that the defendant was expected to pay $121 by September 30th to be compliant. He did not. He only made a specific payment prior to that September 12th hearing in the amount of $200. No additional payments were made in September. He did make a specific payment in the amount of $200 on October 13th. We would just be seeking the same as prior in regards to enforcing that order.
All right, same thing, Mr. Gonzalez. You've got 30 days to get a job. If you don't have a job, I'm going to find you in contempt and send you to jail for 7 days.
Sounds good. I'll do my best. See you in 7 days.
See you next month.
See you next month. Yep.